If you want to hide your recent game activity on Steam, or even make your full game details private, this is the fastest method to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Steam privacy settings so other people can't see your owned games, recent playtime, achievements, or your in-game status. This is a quick and useful privacy tweak, and it only takes a minute once you know where to click. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Steam tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open Steam and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. At the top of the Steam window, click your username. This opens your account menu where you can access your profile settings. From the drop-down list, select View Profile. This will take you to your public Steam profile page. Once your profile opens, look for the Edit Profile button on the right side of the screen. Click that button to enter your profile customization and privacy options. On the next page, you'll see a menu on the left side. From that menu, click Privacy Settings. This is where Steam lets you control who can see different parts of your account. Now, scroll until you find the Game Details section. This is the setting that controls visibility for your games, achievements, playtime, and activity status. Click the current privacy option and change it to private. As soon as you do that, Steam will hide your game details from everyone else on the platform. That means your owned ad games, your recent playtime, your achievements, and your in-game status will no longer be visible to other users. It's the quickest way to make your activity private if you don't want friends, followers, or random profile viewers checking what you've been playing. If you only wanted to hide your recent game activity, this setting still works because it covers the full game details area. Just keep in mind that Steam treats this as a global privacy change for game-related information, so it affects more than just your latest game session. After setting game details to private, you can simply close the settings page. Your privacy change is saved automatically, so there is no extra confirm button to worry about. From this point on, anyone who visits your profile will no longer be able to see your game library, play history, achievements, or current in-game status. This is a great option if you want a cleaner private profile, if you're playing a game you'd rather keep to yourself, or if you just want more control over what other people can see on Steam. It's fast, simple, and completely built into Steam itself, so you don't need any extra software or tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That really helps support the content and lets you find more quick guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.